What if I told you there was a pair of headphones that gives you almost everything that most people would want from a modern pair of headphones? Crystal clear sound, a long-lasting battery life, and even a detachable boom mic, all without breaking the bank. These are the Fifine X3 over-ear wireless headphones. I'm sure you already know Fifine, who are known for their amazing range of budget and mid-range microphones that often compete with some of the best on the market. But how will their venture into the headphone market compare? Let's unbox, test, and find out. So before we get to anything else, let's see what you get inside the box. First up, the headphones. 2.5mm detachable microphone, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, and the user manual. Let's take a closer look at the headphones. So it's got these earmuffs, and an easy way of finding out which is the left and right hand side, I don't know whether you can make out there, left and right in there. And so you've got these squishy earmuffs which are really comfortable, so it's squishy there, and squishy on the headband there. And just to make sure it's a one size fits all sort of thing, you've got it does extend there and there. And these do rotate about 90 degrees, so both sides rotate 90 degrees. And for storage purposes, you can actually fold them away really neatly. So there's no customizable actions on the left ear cup, everything is on the right ear cup. So we've got the slot for the detachable microphone, we've got a USB-C slot for your charging, and then we've got your aux slot for when you want to connect it to your device if you don't want to use it wireless and you want to use it wired. And you've got the power button, you've got the volume customize button, and then you've got the active noise cancellation button there. First things first, comfort. Because honestly, what's the point of headphones if they aren't comfortable? Right? We all want headphones that are going to be comfortable when you first put them on, all the way to when you're taking them off hours later. Particularly that is important for these type of headphones that are built with a long battery lifespan. And as someone that wears glasses, the headphones that I wear have to have that extra bit of comfort as they're going to be sitting over my frames. Now these have this super soft memory foam ear cushions that my ears actually fit nicely into the gap, and they feel really nice to wear and don't ever feel like there's any added pressure onto my glasses. Plus they're lightweight and that headband adjusts easily. Now I've been wearing these headphones for a few hours now and my ears are still comfortable, they're not on fire, you know, they do feel quite breathable. So, you know, I could probably wear them for more hours to come. So that's definitely a good thing. The whole thing is made out of plastic apart from those foam ear cups and this foam in here, but that plastic is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. So you'll see on the touch sensitive pad here, which we'll get into a little bit later, it is actually covered in fingerprints, as is the same on the other side. So it's my only issue with the build quality of these. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. These have Bluetooth 5.3, so as long as you're within 10 meters of your source and have no obstacles in between, the connection is going to have low latency and be stable. Now these headphones also have that multi-device connectivity, which is becoming a familiar feature on many Bluetooth headphones, where if you're connected to these, let's say to your laptop and your phone, you can be listening to music on the laptop, and if you receive a phone call, it will automatically switch to your phone. And then Active Noise Cancellation is that feature on headphones that varies so much, and usually depending on the price range of the headphones, it will actually determine the quality of the active noise cancellation. On these headphones, they are actually better than the budget headphone range would suggest, but I'm comparing the ANC mode on this to something like my AirPods Pro 2s, which I actually think are awesome. It's fine for giving you some separation from your external environment, but it does let quite a bit of sound in. I did notice if there was nothing playing on these through these, then you don't get that benefit of the ANC, but when there is something playing on, you do get that separation a lot more, and that sense of someone hitting the mute button on your external world. But if you do want to effectively hear what's going on around you, then you can switch to transparency mode, and fortunately for these, it doesn't sound like that artificial transparency where there's a fraction of a delay, making it sound unauthentic. Now these naturally open up that external world to you without decreasing the quality of the audio that you're already listening to. Now let's talk about the sound quality. What does these actually sound like when they're on your ears? Sound-wise, they're good. Music is probably best described as comforting. The majority of people with these on who aren't after a pair of headphones that produces defining sound will find these perfectly acceptable. These don't do anything exceptional, but if you're gonna get exceptional, then you're gonna be paying hundreds of dollars. But where this sits in that budget range, this sounds better than budget. Now these have 3 sound modes, all of which can be accessed when in ANC mode and by doing some form of interaction with that touch sensitive pad on the right ear pad right here. Now the first one is a temporary transparency mode, which you get when you press and hold the touchpad, which temporarily reduces the sound and puts the headphones in transparency mode until you stop pressing that button. So tapping twice on the touch sensitive pad puts the X3 into bass mode, which compared to when listening to audio in the normal mode, the bass mode definitely packs a bit more of a punch if you're listening to the correct music. Now tapping 3 times puts it into game mode. The battery life is where these really shine. In standby you can get up to 65 hours of battery life, and I've been using these for a few weeks and I don't think I've even charged them once. Now with music playback you'll get up to 33 hours battery at full volume and talk time up to 40 hours. And when they do finally run out of juice, charging via the USB-C port, you can get charged from 0 to 100 in 2.5 hours. And if you don't want to use them wirelessly, then there is always the option to use them wired with the 3.5mm audio cable plugged in to the bottom of the headphones there. Now, as someone who's tested a lot of Fifine microphones, I had to check out the boom mic because notoriously mics attached to headphones aren't always the best. So let's see what this one is like. So this is what the audio sounds like using the boom mic on the Fifine X3 headphones. Just let me know what you think in the description below. Is it better to stick with a dedicated microphone, or is it good enough to use while you're gaming with something like this? Personally, I'm not a fan of these type of microphones because I prefer dedicated microphones like the many that Fifine do. So check out my review videos on those after this. So, are these headphones worth it? Honestly, I think yes, and it's mainly because they sit at that budget price range. So if you're looking for affordable ANC headphones that actually sound good, it has a great battery life and has some cool novelty features, then these are a solid pick. It's awesome to see Fifine branching out, and I'd like to say they've done a pretty good job with these, apart from the AI connection voice, which I'll show you right now. Okay, so I've got my other microphone here, so I'm going to see if I can get you to be able to hear what that AI connection voice sounds like.
Power on, power off, ANC on.
You see what I mean? So what do you think about Fifine stepping into the headphone game? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to get your hands on these, I'll leave the link in the description down there as well. Many thanks for Fifine for providing this microphone for me to test and provide an honest review. It's greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.